Hi, I'm Ann Marie Walts, and I'm going to tell you right now, this isn't a pitch. You know why? Because my experience is backed by actual time. If you want to build an agency alongside someone like myself, what type of experience do I have? Do you know that this is my 27th year of being in business? As well as the one unique thing that I bring to your table, so to speak, is that in 2001, which is 25 years ago, a quarter of a century ago, did I automate my first business, which was a hair salon. So if I can automate a hair salon, can you imagine the tips that you can get if you check out what I have within my playbook? So if it makes sense to you and you want to build something faster, you're going to have a blast. And I invite you into my ecosystem. You will be supported, and wow, it's going to be fun. And the other thing is this: my husband owns an auto repair garage, and 11 years ago, he came home and said, "Hey, Anne Marie, I don't know what you do with that computer of yours, but can you help me?" Well, to date, he's really happy that he did. And I can tell you that in the last 10 years, we've more than doubled the gross revenue. So, my experience is this: I've been building and building and building for decades. So if you're someone that wants to build something and you want to build something that's like gonna really give you something to get up for in the morning, check out my playbook. I'll see you on the inside.